Hello everyone, I'll be discussing on a topic which every YouTuber has faced once at a time, which is the copyright claim in a YouTube video. As one of my video is also a copyright claimed, so I will be demonstrating the video by myself. At first, you need to go to your channel. Then you need to go to manage videos. As soon as you open this window, you will see this is the YouTube Studio part, where in this restriction part you can see the copyright claimed video. I have this video which is copyright claimed. Now I will show you how can you just remove the copyright claim. Just press see details. Here in this part of my video is copyright claim. Problem is based on the music I have used as an background music. To change the music, select the action and replace the song or mute it according to your preference. You will have a lot of music in this audio library. You can take any of the music and add to your video. Now on selecting the music, add in the video, select the position where the red part is in the video. Adjust the audio or trim the clip which is in the copyright, and on selecting the audio, save the changes and click save. Now in this part you will find checking one found. There will be processing and YouTube will be checking the video. After some time you will find there will be no restriction and the copyright claim will be removed from your video. If the video helped you, like, subscribe and comment down in the video. If you have any query, you can comment down in the video.